Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa S9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace a valve that is located on the back of the machine. This one that you see right here unfortunately was leaking water all over the place. As soon as water was shooting out through here, it would just shoot through there and through everything. So we really had to go there and replace it. Once we replaced this valve, we were able to get good flow coming out from the thermoblocks, going all the way to the spouts, and we were able to have good flow. We also service the brew unit that is inside this machine. This means we had to remove the top cover completely off. This side needs to be completely off as well. There's multiple valves over there on the back of this panel that need to be removed in order for you to slide this door forward and then have access to the brew unit. Once you have to the brew unit, you have to remove all those screws, remove it, and service it and put it back together. So that's what we did. We serviced the brew unit, replaced the O-ring of the brew unit itself, relubricated everything, put all the rings, and did a descaling and a cleaning cycle on this machine. So starting with one shot of one cappuccino, we're going to be testing it out. Then we're going to be using the hot water, and then we're going to do an espresso to test these other spouts.
And then they bring it back. That's how people up. And then, or they have a friend
All right, we had on the steam mode, so now we're gonna put on the cappuccino, and as you can see, we're having nice froth coming out through here. We're not using milk, we're using milk cleaner, but we're still gonna see like that nice froth that you wanna see on a cappuccino. As you can see, the still works as you can kind of increase or decrease the level of froth you want.
because the pump produces much more consistent espresso than the lever. And the lever machine tends to run hot.
Now it's gonna extract coffee through this spout.
But if you don't know any better,
As you can see, steady stream as well. Really good color going at the bottom of the cup. Excellent quantity. As you can see, that looks great. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. Normal temperature. And also, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spout. Excellent temperature as well. Looking great. And now we can do one shot of espresso.
Peter, would you mind putting out the signs?
Sure, and I will also work on that.
All right, now that the machine is grinding that espresso shot, it's gonna reroute that flow coming out to here. As you can see, that was pre-infusion, and now that is extraction. Excellent color as well, and great crema on the top of that espresso shot too. Great quantity, 2 ounces of liquid. Great shot coming out of that Jura. Looking great, smelling great. And also the sensor of the hopper works as well. So there you have it. Jura Impressa S9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.